This is the best way to get to your 3 points. Stand, bend your knees, touching your elbows with your knees. Then lifting up your hips, making a pearl between your legs and your arms. Then you're gonna lift up one leg, and then the other one comes automatic up. This is just the easiest way to get to these 3 points stand. This is not complicated, just try to keep on your hips tight, your legs straight, pointing right up to the ceiling, and breathe in, breathe out, keep breathing, don't let yourself down, breathe in, reaching the ceiling, put your legs up like the ceiling can someone like the ceiling. This is just the way, this is what I did. 30 seconds about.